Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This time samahan nyo ako sa isang mahabang pero super exciting na biyahe from Subic, Zambales all the way to Quezon, Palawan.
Ito ang ticket ko papasay, 320.
So ngayon, 11 PM nagsimula ang travel ko. Tahimik pa ang paligid sa Subic habang papunta ako sa Olongapo. Pagdating ko doon, dumiretso agad ako sa Victory Liner Terminal, bumili ng ticket, tapos sakay ng papuntang Pasay. Mga around 3 AM, finally nasa Pasay na ako. Grabe, medyo pagod pero tuloy pa rin. Sumakay ako ng motor papuntang Naiya Terminal 2. Medyo maingay, mabilis, pero ang saya kasi ramdam mo na adventure time na talaga. Pagdating ko sa airport around 7 AM, chill muna, nag-breakfast, nag-check-in by 10 AM, and finally, nakaboard ako ng 11:30 PM. Take off time around 1:45 PM.
Sir, pwede dito, sir?
Habang nasa Himpapawid, wow guys! Sobrang ganda ng view. Ang mga ulap, parang cotton candy. Ang sarap sa feeling makita yung ganda ng Pilipinas from above.
Grabe nakalawak. Ayun yung Cavite.
Dear guests, the seatbelt sign is now off. For your safety, please keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. Please be careful when opening the overhead compartment. Thank you.
By 2:50 PM, touchdown Puerto Princesa International Airport. Ang saya kasi I'm finally back in Palawan.
Dear guests, we have landed at Puerto Princesa International Airport. The time now is 25 minutes past the hour of 2 in the afternoon. For your safety, please remain seated until the seat sign is switched off. Be careful when opening the overhead compartment. Please ensure you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board. I look forward to serving you again soon. On behalf of Aviation, Captain Edwin Laza, Captain Vince Duma, and the rest of the crew members, we would like to say thank you for flying with us. For passengers traveling with infants and given infant life vest, please return them to the cabin crew pod meaning thank you. Sa mga halangin pa na uwi na may dalang sanggol at nabigyan ng infant life vest, mangyari hindi balik ang ito sa mga cabin crew bago po bumaba. Maraming salamat po. Please follow the instructions of the staff and walk in the group along the walkway to the terminal building. Usage of mobile phones, smoking, and taking pictures in the tarmac area is strictly prohibited by the airport authority. For safety reasons, all guests are required to remain seated until the aircraft has come to complete stop at the parking bay and the fasten symbol sign is switched off. Thank you for your cooperation.
Passengers seated from rows 1 to 15 should use the forward passenger door, while passengers seated from rows 16 and up should use the rear passenger door.
Sumakay ako ng jeep papuntang Irawan Terminal. Then from there, sakay naman ng van papuntang Quezon.
Anong oras alis? Anong oras alis, Quezon?
Ay, gusto mo, no?
Anong oras?
Kaya mo sila, ito ba kami?
Ah. Boys, anong oras alis niyo? Quezon?
Ano sila yan?
Seryoso?
Ay, nakastart na yan. Ay, sa'yo, sige sana.
Mga 4 PM kami umalis at habang nasa daan, grabe, sobrang ganda ng tanawin. May akasya tunnel, bundok, at forest na parang untouched nature talaga. After a few hours on the road, mga 7:30 PM, finally, dumating na ako sa Quezon, Palawan. Home sweet home. The best feeling ever. Kasi, after a long trip, makakasama ko na ulit ang pamilya ko. At yan ang aking travel journey, mga ka-AG Mag-BTV. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe para sa next adventure natin. Alam nyo na, makikita nyo ulit.
Ito ang ticket ko papasay, 320.